Hi, I'm James Mutimer, part of the family-run Autosmart franchise based in Essex. My father Chris has been an Autosmart franchisee for over 25 years now. What I love about selling Autosmart products is every day is different. There's no 2 days the same. We meet a wide range of people, from heads of buying in large companies through to individual mobile valeters. The beauty of this franchise is that any business is a potential customer. Autosmart manufacture and sell over 300 different products, so we have a lot of doors that we can open with the products we've got. The mobile showroom is a really unique vehicle. We take the shop to the customer. It's great that we can turn up to the customer and supply them everything they need. It's literally a one-stop shop for them. I know that the Autosmart franchise is a great investment for the right person. My dad's been doing it for over 26 years now. Our experience is that it's a solid and robust business to be involved in. It's provided us a great income, a great work-life balance. The area for sale is southwest Essex, which stretches from Thurrock to Stamford-le-Hope to Tilbury, Rayleigh and Canvey Island. There's already a substantial customer base on the exclusive territory, ranging from car dealerships to plant firms to haulage firms, farmers, mobile valeters, which just shows there's a wide range of customers available to sell stuff to. If you think you're the right person to take on this fantastic opportunity to become an Autosmart franchisee, then get in touch with the franchising team at Autosmart head office.